A very good morning to all of you. This is नेहा बवेजा. आज बात करेंगे एक बहुत ही रीसेंट केस जो मैंने स्टडी किया, जिसके अंदर देयर वाज अ मदर ऑफ 1.5 year old who was very much worried about the kids diet. जो बच्चा है उसको बहुत रिसेंटली कुछ दिनों से कॉन्स्टिपेशन का इशू बहुत ज़्यादा रह रहा था. इसके साथ साथ शी वॉज नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग द फूड दैट मच एंड the way she used to be doing it earlier. When I took the history, when I took the recall, I came across the fact that that mother was giving too much of these breakfast cereals as a part of the regular breakfast to the child, because she was not accepting other things in the morning. One thing one needs to be very much particular about, especially the parents who have small kids, is these breakfast cereals are not at all healthy. Consuming mueslis, consuming cornflakes, consuming chocos as a part of your regular breakfast in the morning is not at all a healthy practice. Number one, it's a refined product, it's a processed food, it is high in sugars, it is not at all healthy practice to be followed for the child. उसके साथ साथ उस बच्चे के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था फाइबर का डाइट में ज़्यादा होना, बिकॉज फ्लूइड तो वो ले ही रहा था. His diet was completely of vegetables, his diet was completely of whole grain pulses, his diet was completely of whole grain cereals. इन चीज़ों को अपनी डाइट में इंक्लूड करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ही वॉज टेकिंग जस्ट अ प्लेन रोटी, सो आई suggested her that she should use some kind of a pulp of some vegetables while kneading the dough, like pumpkin or maybe chia or maybe some spinach, so that that particular flour can be used to make the rotis for her. And the way she can add fiber to her diet, she can very much replace the refined breakfast cereal she was giving with natural dalia ka khichdi or dalia ka kheer along with some milk, or maybe some custard, or maybe oats with milk, or maybe some suji ka porridge in the morning to the child. If she doesn't accept a lot of savory things, that can be given. Else she can give some chilas or some savory porridges also, like suji ka upma and some poha or some chila sort of a thing also to the child. So dependency on these attractive foods too much for the child who's just 1.5 year old can result in severe constipation. So we need to really awaken up that we should really work that dependency on these packet foods should be as low as possible. कोशिश कीजिए अपने बच्चे को जितना नेचुरल फूड्स दे सकते हैं, फ्रूट्स के फॉर्म में, स्मूदीज़ के फॉर्म में, स्प्राउट्स के फॉर्म में, दलिया के फॉर्म में, कस्टर्ड्स के फॉर्म में, आप उतना उसको उसकी डाइट में नेचुरल चीज़ें दीजिए और पैकेट फूड्स को थोड़ा सा अवॉइड कीजिए. The long-term usage of these products can really affect a 1.5 year old child. तो आप ये सोचिए कि हम लोग जो इतने सालों से इन चीज़ों को अपनी डाइट में कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, पैकेट फूड्स पे हमारा इतना डिपेंडेंसी हो रखा है, तो हमारी हेल्थ पे इसका क्या इफ़ेक्ट पड़ रहा होगा. बी अवेयर, बी हेल्दी एंड स्टे एक्टिव. टेक केयर.